Mani Padme Hum, but without actually knowing what it means. What does it mean?
Right? Particularly, Om Mani Padme Hum as one Buddhist mantra. So, all Buddhist system is utilize human intelligence maximum way, through that way transform our emotion. That's Buddhist way of approach. Om Mani Padme Hum, of course, I don't know whether it's relevant explain here or not, I don't know. But you see the six syllables. Om Mani Padme Hum. So Om, that so the mantra is common. And also Om. But here Buddhists explain Om, there are three letters. That represents our body, mind, speech. So there are two levels, body, speech, mind, impure level. That creates, that's the basis of suffering. So therefore, experiencer pains, pleasure, body, mind, body, mind, transform into pure, pleasant, ever present body, mind, speech also. So that represents impure part and pure part. Impure part into pure. Three impure transform purity. Then money and value. Money means jewelry. Jewelry meaning altruism. Infinite altruism. Then Padma. Padma means wisdom. Altruism and wisdom combined. That represents Hum. Hum carries the meaning of combination. Altruism and wisdom combined. Through that way, that's the proper way method to purify three impure